You shouldn't judge the quality of your life until you've done everything in your capabilities to set things straight. And Nate lived by that, and now I will live by that. And every day, I ask
God. Nathan taught me to see life through a lens of positivity. He made me believe I was capable of things I never thought were possible.
He was an example of someone that didn't get anything handed to him. He worked for it, and he got it.
Wonder what would I do if I had the chance to see your face again. Live it up one more time and don't care about the cash we spend. You know it's always rage on to the very end. Yeah, from here on out I'm with fam and friends. Gotta do what
we started Nate's Place, a wellness and recovery center in honor of Nate. And we opened our doors in February of 2023. Nate struggled with substance use as an early teen, and we were able to get him in treatment, and he really threw himself into his recovery, attending 12-step meetings. But the thing that made the biggest difference was he worked one-on-one with a peer recovery coach who was such a positive influence on his life. And he kind of got him into weightlifting, boxing, taught him to play the guitar. Nate started meditating, journaling, and Nate learned that he could have a fun and rewarding life and be clean and sober. So when he passed away, so many people reached out to us and told us that Nate had supported them. And we came up with this idea of starting a nonprofit that honored Nate's recovery recipe, what worked for him. And so what we have are peer recovery coaches who work one-on-one, and up to 20 recreational activities like boxing, fitness, guitar, drumming, and lots of groups.
His determination and ambition was contagious. Seeing him do good made you want to do good for yourself. He understood the importance of living each day like it's your last, and the importance of doing what you love. He inspired so many people, and still is even after he is gone. He was so special, a truly magnificent, extraordinary soul. It physically and mentally pains me to imagine a world where Nate isn't in it.
Hello everyone, I'm glad to be here. My name is Heidi Allison. I'm a licensed clinical social worker. I'm the co-founder of Nate's Place, and I'm Nate's mom. Nate passed away at the age of 21 2 years ago from a traffic collision, and he had been in recovery for 6 years and was doing well in his life. Nate and his recovery recipe were the inspiration for Nate's Place. We found that there were no other programs like this in Ventura County. There was a huge need, and there was a large gap in services, particularly for low-income BIPOC youth. We serve at-risk youth ages 13 to 25 who have mental health and substance use challenges. Our services are free. We provide free transportation. We pick kids up at school, take them home at night, and bilingual staff. Our unique program includes evidence-based practices. First, we have one-on-one peer recovery coaching with trained peers who have their own lived experience. Our remarkable peer coaches instill hope in our participants. We've also witnessed the healing impact of youth interacting with these positive role models who've gone through similar life experience. Second, we teach healthy coping skills to build resilience through 10 evidence-based groups that includes groups like an addiction recovery group, AA for young persons, LGBTQI+ group, DBT, coping skills groups, and more. Third, our center is a safe haven clubhouse setting with lots of healthy replacement activities, as mentioned, fitness equipment, boxing, art and music classes, yoga, just to name a few. We've seen a huge boost in the self-esteem of teens who've tried rock climbing, kayaking, and surfing for the first time. These activities greatly increase their self-esteem. Finally, we conduct substance use workshops and prevention talks at schools and in the community. What we've learned from our outcome data since February 2023 is that our program model has had a significant impact on youth. The majority of people we serve are low-income, BIPOC, primarily Hispanic individuals, and we've seen real-world outcomes. 89% report an improvement in their mental health after being at Nate's Place, 88% an increase in their motivation to reduce substance use. We hear from parents and youth that they have improved grades, reduced fighting and suspensions, and improved relationships. In the future, we envision serving hundreds more youth because Nate's Place increases resilience. Thank you for your time.